Good afternoon, everybody. Some students are coming. We are waiting for them. Okay, by the time we'll talk. Right? Yesterday, I asked, do you like to speak with me? Do you remember this? You have to tell the recipe of bhel. How did you make the bhel? This question yesterday I asked. Okay. So today in the evening, 4:10 we'll do that. Okay. You should be prepared for that. Okay. Many students are saying no, I'm not getting chance for reading. So today I'll try to give the chance everybody reading and speaking. Everybody is not possible, but those who want. Okay. Because there are many students. In the evening, not in this session. Okay. In the evening, today we are going to take one extra session. 4:10. Okay. That session, I'll ask you, I'll give the chance for reading. I'll ask the recipe of bhel. Are you ready for that? Children, so you will get time also. Ishita is ready. Who else is ready? Come on, tell. Abdul is also ready. Okay, I'll keep in mind. Abdul, Ishita. Rohini, okay means what? Are you ready? Give me the list who want to speak. Yuktika, Zoya. Zoya is also ready. See, okay means what? I'm not understanding. Ready. Okay, Srishti is ready. Let me write the name. Who are ready? Who are ready? In the evening, children, okay? Not in this session, in the evening. Today, one more session will take in the evening. In that session, I'll give you the chance, right? Okay, wait. I want to note your names. So directly I'll ask you the names in the evening. Saraswati is ready. Saraswati, okay. Kushi is ready. Kushi, Ishita, Moi. Who gave the name? Sejal also ready. See, now you have to mention whether you are ready for the speaking. You will tell the recipe of the bhel or you will read the text. That you have to mention, children. Viraj ready. Viraj, you are ready for what? Viraj is ready for reading. Okay, very good. Afan is ready. For what, Afan? Payal is also ready. Okay, Payal, for what you mention me? Whether you will tell me the recipe of bhel making or you will do the reading text, whichever I'll display on the screen. Pauni, for what you are ready? Pauni, write me, mention that. For what you are ready? Tej is ready for text reading. Okay, very good, Tej. Okay, Tej is for reading. Okay. Ishita, what? Real what? Payal for book reading. Okay, Payal. Book reading. Okay, this way God mentioning. Gargi reading. Okay, Gargi, two Gargis are there. Now which Gargi I miss? Ansh is ready for reading. Okay, Ansh ready for reading. Okay, I'll take this name. Evening without fail, you have to join, huh? I missed Saraswati book reading. Okay, Saraswati reading. Okay. Pauni reading. Okay, I have mentioned Pauni for you. Now don't write again. Siddhi Mishra reading. Okay, Siddhi. Moin is also for reading. Okay. Abdul also reading. Okay. Siddharth, what? Yes, beta. Srishti is ready for what? Mohammad Anas. Okay, Mohammad Anas. I am also what, beta? Lucky, you are ready for what? Pauni, I have mentioned your name. Okay, others give me name. Manasi Chaudhary reading. Okay. Samartha reading. Okay. And who will tell me the recipe? Bhel making recipe. Please give the name for bhel making recipe. Marathi no, Kunjan. Marathi no. Marathi no. We are doing English. So you have to speak in English. Any text matter I'll display on the screen that you have to read. Who is ready for telling the recipe of bhel making? Please give me name. You have to tell orally. Orally, you have to give me the recipe of bhel. Who is ready? Ayush Kelkar. Okay, Ayush. Very good, Ayush. Ayush will tell. Good. Only one name I got for recipe, Ayush. What about others? Ayush, only one. In 170 students, only Ayush will tell me the recipe. Kushi, what you want? For what you mentioned, whether for reading or bell making. Reading, many are there. Who will tell me the recipe? That names please give. Then I'll unmute them. Pauni, what bell beta? Are you ready to tell the recipe? Say bell making recipe, you are ready to tell, right? Properly. Pauni, what? Yes, beta. What reading? I have mentioned your name. Now I want who will tell the recipe orally. Ishita, you will give the recipe. Say yes, Ishita. You are writing. How I'll understand, beta? Kushi, what? Yes, that you write, beta. What? Yes, you want to. Yes, Ishita. Okay, Ishita's name with Ayush. Very good, Ishita. So, Ishita, instead of reading, you give me the recipe, okay? Ayush and Ishita, two only kids have given the name for recipe. Okay. Tejas, you are writing just bhel. What does mean? Naitik, I have taught you how to make the bhel. That recipe you have to tell me the orally. Are you ready for that? Why you are giving the ingredients? I can't understand. Only Ishita and Ayush Kelkar is ready for that. Other rest all want to do the reading. Okay, no matter. No matter. At least two students I got. Okay, good. Adishri, I also for what? Adishri, for what you are saying I also? You should be clear for what? Reading your or for telling the recipe. Okay, children. Okay, okay. By the time I got two names only, Ayush and Ishita for telling a recipe, and for reading many students I have mentioned the name. Okay, okay, children. Okay. So this we will do in the evening. Okay, last period will do. Right? Today last period, we will only take English only will take. Okay. Okay. Now today we'll start the new lesson. New lesson today will start. Welcome in that. And what is that new lesson? This is the new lesson, right? That is module 4. Topic is picture reading. Okay. And other name for picture reading is picture composition. Students, do you remember before UT, I have taught you, already I have taught you picture reading, how to do the picture reading. Do you remember that? How many of you remember? In the evening, last period will be for that. Instead of EVS, we are going to take the English because you like to come. You like to read, you like to tell your recipe. That's why we have given that period for English. Okay. Okay, now we'll concentrate now on this topic, that is picture reading or picture composition. Now in between, nobody will talk about that. Okay. We'll start. So if you have grammar book, you can keep ready. Okay, module 4, you keep ready. First, you will learn how to do the picture reading or picture composition. We have already learned. Again, this is the repetition. Okay, in module 4, again, same lesson has come. Okay. So in picture reading or picture composition is the same. So what you have to do in the picture composition? One picture will be displayed on the screen or on paper or in the book. Picture will be given. Okay. A picture composition involves writing sentence based on the given picture. Whatever picture. Now, students, please stop chatting. Stop chatting and now you concentrate on learning. Okay? You learn very carefully. This is very important topic. Okay? So picture will be displayed in front of you, picture in the form of photo, right? So what you have to do? Based on that picture, you have to write the sentences, right? Based on that picture, you have to write the sentences. Okay. Now, what way you will write? The picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture. Writer means who? You children. When you are observing the picture and you are making your own sentences based on that picture, it means you become a writer, right? You are a writer because you are writing. So you are a writer, right? So when you have decided to write the picture composition, first thing that you will observe the picture very carefully. Okay, observation is very, very important, children. Keep in mind. See, the big scientists, those who invented the new things, they all observe the thing very, very careful. From their observation, many things they realize and then they write. Okay, then they invented new things. So observation is very, very important. For that purpose, you have to observe the picture very carefully, right? Okay, and then after observation, you have to describe, okay, that picture in the form of composition having meaningful sentences. See, children, you have to make simple sentences, and that sentences should be based on that picture. When this mini sentence, and that sentences should be meaningful, children. Meaningless sentence is useless. So whenever you will form the sentence, that sentence should have the meaning, right? Should have the meaning. And that small sentences together make a composition. Got it? Okay. Now what else things you should be keep in mind? First you will observe the picture carefully. Okay. Then observe the things. Action you can see. Whatever you will see in the picture, whether it is the name of the things or the action which is done in the picture, that action you will observe. And then you have to note down your observation, okay, as a point in a logical order. Okay, what is a logical order you will come to know later on when we will describe the picture. Okay, then imagine the scene and try to frame the sentences. See, children, imagine the thing, one thing two children can write different way, because everyone's imagination is different. Okay, then select a suitable title. Then you have to give a title to your composition. Okay, based on the imaginary theme you have made for the picture. Now what you are thinking about that picture, based on that your title will be selected, and write the title at the top of the paragraph as a heading. So title can be different, children. Last time I told title can be different. What way you are looking at that picture, what way you are imagining that picture, that on that your title will be based, right? Okay, and always we write the title on the top, right? So these are the point last time I have shown. Minimum 6 to 8 lines you have to write. Okay, minimum 6 to 8 lines. And how much time you will observe the picture? 10 to 15 minutes you will observe the picture. Okay, and all the sentence will be in the present tense. Keep in mind, sentence will be in the present tense. Now this is the picture which is there in front of you, right? So this is the example, children. Now here you can see the picture. Okay, observe that picture, and based on your observation you have to note the points, right? First you have to note in the notebook what things you can see in the picture, right? So here are the example observation. What he is here, it is looking like a picnic, so theme is a picnic we can say. Okay, then we can see two trees. See, these are the point. These are not sentences, children. Okay. Now, two trees we can see. Beyond that, we can see the plant. Yes, you can write in the notebook. Yes, you can note this point in the notebook, children. Very good, very good. One of the child is asking me whether I write this point in the notebook. Good, good, very good. Note it. Write in the notebook. So this first you have to write the points. So what points as per this picture we can see? First is a picnic. Theme is a picnic because we can see the many things are with them. Okay. So trees we can say yes. Tent is also there. Very good. One child is saying tent. Ovi, what is this? It means what? You are not listening. You are busy in putting the picture. Any picture you are putting. Stop chatting. Okay. Two trees are there. Plants are there. Yes, no, we can see the bee. Okay. Beyond that, children, plants we can see. Okay. Green grass is also there. Okay. If we counted the people, 8 children are there. Yes, 8 children are there. Okay, Kavya. Okay. 8 children are there. And then one man with the white cap is called what? One man with the cap. It's called what? Write down. Shape. Very good, Viraj. Shape is there. Okay. Then a boy watching the shape. One boy you can see watching the shape. Mat is there which they put on the ground. Basket also there. Okay. Beside the basket, jug, plate, and glass is there. Yes, you can see these things. Yes. Okay. Then in the sky, we can see clouds. Clouds. We can see one boy is hiding. Yes. Beyond this, many more things are there. Okay. That, see, it depends on you. What do you observe in the picture? Okay, children. So here are just the example. Here are just the example, and these are the points which first we have to note in our notebook. Okay, this is not a composition. These are the points which we have noted, okay, by observation, right? Now, after this, once you have noted the point, then you start making the sentences. Okay. Now, this sentences should be in a sequence. Okay. In a order. So, what we'll write first? First sentence. Who will write? What sentence should be? Okay. First, we have now decided our title is a picnic. Here we decided the title of our composition is a picnic. Now, children, we have noted the point. Now it's a time to make the sentence. Yes, one boy has given, Srishti is given, the shape is cooking. Okay. Now you start noting the sentence. The shape is cooking. The Srishti is saying shape is cooking. Okay. Okay. There are many trees. Shravani, why many trees? We can count the trees, beta, and we have given in point 2 trees. You can write there are 2 trees. We can see 2 trees. That way also you can write. Come on, start making the sentence, children. And when you are writing in the chat box, same time you can write in the notebook. A girl is running to, I miss your sentence. There are 8 children in the picture. Very good. Viraj. Good. But T should be capital. Okay, I can understand. In chat box you can write anyway, but in notebook you write there are 8 children in the picture. Very good. Ayush, you are also correct. Utsavi, you are correct. Okay. Now Ayush gave me new sentence. There are 8 students in the picture or 8 children in the picture. The shape is cooking one sentence, 2 sentence over. The girl is running to table to eat. Where you can see the girl? No girl is running, beta. A shape is cooking over students. Now start giving the next sentence. There is a basket. But when you are writing there is a basket, what is the spelling of there? There. There. Okay, that way you write. There is a basket. Good. What else? Now I will read only sentence. Those who will give me the sentence, there is a jug beside the basket. Viraj, very good. There is one glass. Good. See, this way start making the sentence. The children are taking each other what? Children, I missed. On the mat, what, Maiti? There is a beautiful green grass. No children, right? There is a green grass, beautiful green grass. No, beta. There we can see green grass. That way you can write. The boy is hiding in the picture. Okay, good. Good. The boy is hiding. Good. Good. See, when I'm reading the sentence, other student can note this sentence in your notebook. There are 2 trees over, beta. That sentence over now. Start giving the new. There are 2 coconut trees. Very good. See here, instead of saying there are 2 trees, the child is saying there are 2 coconut trees. Very good, boy. There is a mat. Yes, there is a mat. Simple sentence it is. There is a mat. Give the correct sentence. Many other points are there. That also you can make the. These are many I missed. There are plates, glasses. There are plate, glasses. Glasses we cannot see. Glass we can see. Come on, start. Samartha, pay attention, beta. Why complaint is there? Samartha, pay attention. How you will learn otherwise? I got complaint from your parent. Come on, start making. See, simple sentence. Like there are many. I missed. There are many plants. Yes, there are many plants. Okay, good sentence. The boy is watching shape. Correct sentence. Grishma, what is this? Instead of paying attention, instead of writing, what nonsense things you are doing? There is a cloud. Yes. You can write instead of there is a cloud, we can see cloud in the sky. Okay, you are also correct sentence, but this is also good sentence. There are plates. Okay. There is, my dear, one child is writing, there are 1 tent. No, my dear, right? There is a tent. A means 1. A means 1. Yeah, children enjoy the picnic. Correct sentence. There, missed. There is a green tent. Okay, no problem. About there are a boy watching. See, there are a boy. No, then there are the boys. Or there are 2 boys watching shape. That way you can write. There are 8 children. Okay, good sentence. There is a jug of juice. Very good. Very good. Ayushi. There is a blue. We can see blue sky. Instead of See, children, you are most of you are making the sentence there is, there are. Now go beyond that and start making we can see blue sky. That is a very good sentence. Yes, Krishna, correct. See, about the tree sentence is over. About the grass sentence is over. Sky, I have give the correct answer. There are two stones. One boy is writing. Where you can see the stone, beta? Okay, that black color stones you are thinking. Okay, okay. There are two. That is your imagination. Okay, good. Shape is cooking food. That is over. There is eight. No, there are eight children. That way we are friends. We are friends, children. See. Here one sentence, one boy is writing, we are friends. See, we are not talking about ourselves. We are talking about that picture. What we see in that picture, based on that, you have to write the sentence. Okay? Okay. There is a tent, Kunal. Correct. Extra than this point you can add. No problem. Okay. Very good. Now, whatever sentences you have given students, that you have to put in a sequence, in a correct order. Okay. Then it will become a composition, right? How it is seen now. See here. Everybody watch this. Okay. Children are out for picnic. It is a beautiful place. See, this is the imagination. It is a beautiful place. We can describe that place. There are two coconut trees and a few plants. Okay. Now you say there is a green grass. So here what is writing? Lush green grass is all around. Lush is an adjective telling more about the green grass. Lush green grass is all around. There are 7 children, okay, enjoying themselves, and one is hiding somewhere. There is a chef cooking for them. So instead of saying there is a chef or the chef is cooking, you can write this way also. There is a chef cooking for them, and a boy is learning how to cook. See, boy is watching, we say, right? So here, instead of that, what sentence is given? A boy is learning how to cook. Okay, different way, the same sentence is written. They have put a big tent for themselves. Yes. So they have put a big tent for themselves. A mat is spread out with a basket, glass, plate, and a jug on it. See, students, here the sentence is made. A mat is spread out with basket, and punctuation mark is also used, comma. Yes, no? After basket, comma, put. Glass also, comma is there. Plate and a jug on it. At the end, full stop. Clouds are also there in the sky. Clouds are also there in the sky. Children are eagerly waiting to eat. See how nicely it is described. Children are eagerly waiting to eat because it is not shown. Food, plate, glass, juice, everything is shown. but the eating action is not shown. So how the sentence is made? Children are eagerly waiting to eat. Okay. One boy is hiding behind the plants. One boy is hiding behind the plants. I think the children are having a lovely time. Okay. I think the children are having a lovely time. You can write that way also, Naiti. Okay. A cloud is floating in the sky. You can write that. A cloud is floating in the sky. Okay, we can see the bright sky. That way also you can write the sentence about the sky. See, it's your own imagination, but the sentence which you have framed, that you have to put in a order, in a sequence. It should be related to each other. Okay. And when we are writing the picture composition, that time we should not write the number. Okay. Some children are writing number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. They are giving the number to the sentence and they go on writing. Okay. Don't do that. Now you are in the second standard. First standard it was okay. But now you start writing like this. This is just a sample. Understood? You can write this in the notebook too. You can click the photo. You can take the screenshot. And afterwards also you can write. Okay, children? Okay. Shall I move next? Clouds are not blue, my dear. Shayans. Clouds are white. Sky is blue. Okay. So how you noted this in the notebook? How you noted this in the notebook? Some children are lazy. Okay. You write down, beta. It will help you. How you will write. When you will write your own composition, that time it will help you. Okay. Ishita says she has noted. Okay. Gunjan, have you written? Akhil, why beta? Right? You don't have pencil or what? Okay, okay. Now time is also getting over. Okay. So I will give like this picture. Afterwards, next session. Today, next session we are going to take in the evening only. Okay. Last session. In that I will show you this picture. Okay. Homework you need. See, children. Your workbook page number, grammar workbook module 4, page number 40. Page number 40. 4040. Writing skill is there now. Got it? Page number 40. 40 and 41. Okay. Page number 40 and 41. That you have to look at that picture and complete that. Here it is very easy. They have asked the question. What place is this? Who is standing near the board? What is the teacher teaching? Who is listening to the teacher? How are they listening? How does the classroom look? Okay. With the help of question, it is very easy to write the answer. Once you finish the answer, then all this answer you have to take together. That will make a paragraph. Okay. Or picture composition. Okay. Okay, and all the sentence should be in the present tense. Picture reading or picture composition, all the sentence will be in the present tense. Yes. Okay. So that is your homework. Understood now? Okay. In the evening also all the students will join. Very good. At the end I see 172 students have joined. But join it on time because some previous part you are missing. In the evening also I want same attendance. Okay. You have given me name for reading and for recipe. That names I will call in the evening. Abbas, what? What is this? Bye. Have a good day.
Miss, should I end the lecture?
Yes, it's finished.